Dave and Ava. Farm Animals Train Part 1. Hi, kids! Today we're going to learn about the animals that live on a farm. Let's take a ride around Dave and Ava's animal farm. Are you ready? Here we go! Chicken. Cat. Sheep. Cow. Horse. Our animals love to talk and play. But what do the animals say? Let's find out today. Chicken. The chickens are busy on the farm all day. Cluck, 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 the chickens say. Chickens eat almost anything. Grass, bugs, fruit, vegetables, and even table scraps. Chickens can fly a little bit. Cluck, cluck, cluck. Chickens lay lots of yummy eggs. A baby chicken is called a chick. Cat. What does the furry cat say? Meow, meow. A cat is a soft and furry pet. Cats sleep about 16 hours a day. Cats lick their coats to keep clean and tidy. What a funny way to have a bath. Cats like to chase mice. A baby cat is called a kitten. Sheep. Baa, baa. The woolly sheep says hello. Sheep graze on grass. Baa, baa. Sheep love to run, jump, and play in the sunny field. Sheep are covered in fluffy wool. People use wool to make sweaters, socks, hats, and mittens. Wool keeps us warm in the winter. A baby sheep is called a lamb. Cow. This is the cow. She goes moo. Cows give us milk, butter, and yummy cheese. They spend almost all day chewing on grass. Cows drink a bathtub full of water each day. A baby cow is called a calf. Can you moo like cows do? Moo! Yay! You are doing great! Horse. Neigh, neigh. The horse loves to eat his hay. It makes him big and strong. Apples are a favorite snack. Catch! Yay, yummy! Horses can sleep standing up. And they love to run fast. People ride horses for work and fun. A baby horse is called a foal. Now you know what the animals say. Here we go one more time. Chicken. Cat. play to all the animals. See you next time!
Huh? This one.
Dave and Ava's videos are now available in the new application for Android and iOS devices. Download and watch offline. Pay once and enjoy the videos. No in-app purchases. No advertising. Kid-friendly and safe. Download today! The Farmer in the Dell. The farmer in the dell, the farmer in the dell. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell. The farmer takes a wife, the farmer takes a wife. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer takes a wife. The wife takes the kids. The wife takes the kids. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the wife takes the kids. The kids take the cow. The kids take the cow. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the kids take the cow. The cow takes the pig. The cow takes the pig. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cow takes the pig. The pig takes the dog. The pig takes the dog. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the pig takes the dog. The dog takes the cat. The dog takes the cat. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the dog takes the cat. The cat takes the mouse. The cat takes the mouse. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cat takes the mouse. The mouse takes the cheese. The mouse takes the cheese. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the mouse takes the cheese. The cheese stands alone. The cheese stands alone. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone. It's the cow.
Huh? Oops. Oh no! Our farm is all mixed up. Kids, help us gather the animals and put everything back in order.
Meet the Farm Animal Puzzle app from Dave and Ava. Learn about Dave and Ava's farm animals. Enjoy the puzzle and put all the pieces together. Tap to play with the animals. Feed your pets. Interact with the animals to learn their sounds. Download the Farm Animal Puzzle app from Dave and Ava on iOS and Android devices.
Old MacDonald had a farm.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there, here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh-neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some pigs, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there, here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some cows, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Hi, kids! I'm Philip. In every video, I am hiding an object. Have you been paying attention? What did I hide this time? Write your answers in the comments. The Wheels on the Bus Part 2. Animal Song.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
All through the town.
The dog on the bus goes woof, 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 woof. The dog on the bus go woof, 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 all day long.
All day long.
The cat on the bus goes meow, 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 meow. The cat on the bus goes meow, 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 all day long. The pig on the bus goes
Oink, oink, oink. Oink, oink, oink. Oink, oink, oink.
The pig on the bus goes
Oink, oink, oink.
all day long.
All day long.
The cow on the bus goes moo, 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 moo. The cow on the bus goes moo, 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 all day long.
All day long.
The duck on the bus goes quack, 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 quack. The duck on the bus goes quack, quack, quack all day long. The chicken on the bus goes cluck, 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 cluck. The chicken on the bus goes cluck, cluck, cluck all day long. All day long. The horse on the bus goes neigh, 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 neigh. The horse on the bus goes neigh, neigh, neigh all day long. All day long. The sheep on the bus goes ba 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 ba. The sheep on the bus goes ba 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 all day long. All day long. The mouse on the bus goes squeak, 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 squeak. Squeak, squeak, squeak. The mouse on the bus goes squeak, squeak, squeak all day long. All day long. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all through the town.
Hey, kitty, kitty, kitty. To watch our videos offline, download our app.
Farm Animals Train Part 2. Hi, kids! Today we're going to learn about the animals that live on a farm. Let's take a ride around Dave and Ava's animal farm. Are you ready? Here we go! Mouse, dog, rooster, duck, pig. Our animals love to talk and play. But what do the animals say? Let's find out today. Mouse. The mouse goes squeak, squeak. Say hello to one of the smartest animals on the farm. Mice have large ears, sharp teeth, and a long tail. Mice eat almost anything, but they love cheese. Some people keep mice as pets. Can you squeak like Philip the mouse? Yeah, good job! Dog. The dog is barking. Woof, woof. I think he wants to play. Dogs are very smart. They're called man's best friend. Dogs love to chase their tails. And some can do tricks. Wow! Do you know the name of cute baby dogs? Yes, they're called puppies. Rooster. Everybody wake up. It's time to start the day. Cock-a-doodle-doo, the roosters say. Roosters are brightly colored and have large red combs on top of their heads. A rooster is a boy chicken. Ooh la la. Roosters peck at worms, fruit, grain, seeds, insects, and other things. Duck. How do ducks say hello? Quack, quack. Duck Ducks are birds and they also love to swim. Ducks like to eat snails, slugs, and plants. A baby duck is called a duckling. Oh, look! There's 5 little ducklings. Hi, everybody! Pig. Do you know what animal says oink, oink? Yeah! The pig says oink, oink. Rolling in the mud all day. What a fun way to play! Pigs have funny pink noses and cute curly little tails. They can eat almost anything. A baby pig is called a piglet. Now you know what the animals say. Here we go one more time. Mouse, dog, rooster, duck, pig. Thanks for touring the farm with us and saying hi to all the animals. See you next time. Dave and Ava. This little piggy. This little piggy went to market. This little piggy stayed home. This little piggy had roast beef, and this little piggy had none. And this little piggy went wee, 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 all the way home. All the way home. This little piggy drew some pictures. This little piggy sang a song. This little piggy watered flowers. And this little piggy had a call. And this little piggy went wee, 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 all the way home. This little piggy went fishing. This little piggy jumped around. This little piggy had ice cream. And this little piggy had none. And this little piggy went wee, 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 all the way home. This little piggy went to market. This little piggy stayed home. This little piggy had roast beef, and this little piggy had none. And this little piggy went wee, 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 all the way home.
Mary had a little lamb.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. Everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see the lamb at school. And so the teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it out. And so the teacher turned it out, but still it lingered near. Why does the lamb love Mary so, Mary so, Mary so? Why does the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cry. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, the lamb, you know, the lamb, you know. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, the teacher did reply. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. Three blind mice. Three blind mice, three blind mice. See how they run, see how they run. They all ran after the farmer's wife, who cut off their tails with a carving knife. Did you ever see such a sight in your life as three blind mice? Three blind mice, three blind mice. See how they run, see how they run. They all ran after the farmer's wife, who cut off their tails with a carving knife. Did you ever see such a sight in your life as three blind mice?
Five little ducks.
One, two, three, 4, 5. 5 little ducks went out one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little ducks went out one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. 1, 2, 3. 3 little ducks went out one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 but only 2 little ducks came back. 1, 2 little ducks went out one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 but only 1 little duck came back. 1 little duck went out one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 but none of the 5 little ducks came back. Sad mother duck went out one day over the hill and far away. The sad mother duck said, quack, 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 and all the 5 little ducks came back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Thanks for watching! If you enjoy playing with us, be sure to subscribe to our channel. To watch our videos offline, download our app. Click here to continue watching our videos right now. See you soon!